Good day and welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia. This briefing was recorded early Thursday afternoon. This image shows the precipitation for the past 90 days over Georgia. The National Weather Service considers this to be the winter season, which is a critical time for recharging area streams, rivers, farm ponds, and lakes. Periods of heavy rain mainly affected North Georgia in December and January, then shifted more into central Georgia during February. As indicated, widespread 15 to 20 inches of rain occurred over north and central Georgia, with some areas receiving around 25 inches. Scattered locations along the Tennessee Valley Divide in north central and northeast Georgia received around 30 inches. This beneficial rainfall was generally from 100 to 200% of normal for the winter season. The results of the rain so far have been widespread low-impact type flooding in the minor category, but some significant flooding is occurring on the lower reaches of the main rivers in central Georgia. The Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service page, known as AHAPS, shows several stream gauges in central Georgia in flood at this time. The hydrograph for the Emulgee River at Abbeville shows the river in minor flood at this time, but is forecast to rise into the moderate flood category by Friday night. Significant flooding near 15 feet is expected, which will cut off residents to elevated homes along the river for several days. The hydrograph for the Ohoopee River near Reedsville shows the river in moderate flood at this time, and this significant flooding will continue for a few more days. Several homes in the Joy Bluff community will be flooded with a stage height near 19 feet. However, the widespread rainfall we have had this winter season has been good news for making significant improvement to the long-term drought which has plagued large portions of Georgia for the past 2 years. The extreme to exceptional drought categories have been lowered to severe, with further improvements likely in March. The drought is almost non-existent in North Georgia now. The recharging of the groundwater tables in central Georgia during the spring months will determine if the long-term drought can be ended. This will be a decision made by state officials. There is always a lot of interest in the Lake Lanier pool level, so this chart shows the current lake level in blue and the forecast for the next 4 weeks with the red squares. At this time, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is projecting the lake will be near full pool by May 1st. It will greatly depend on the spring rains we typically receive in March and April. There is also a lot of interest in the West Point Lake pool level. The current lake level in blue is well above normal for this time of year. The forecast for the next 4 weeks with the red squares shows how the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is planning on lowering the lake a foot or two before letting it rise to near full pool by May 1st. This is being done to create adequate flood storage for any heavy spring rains in March and April. This image shows the expected synoptic situation later tonight. An upper-level trough of low pressure will be moving through the Ohio Valley with enough moisture to produce some light snow in the Appalachian Mountains. This will produce a slight chance of light rain, possibly mixed with light snow late tonight over extreme North Georgia. Some light snow will be possible in the higher elevations of northeast Georgia. As the upper-level trough gradually moves southeast through Georgia, chances of light rain will spread over the state on Friday through Saturday. The rain may change over to light snow late Friday night into Saturday morning over North Georgia, with temperatures in the lower 30s. Consequently, an area of measurable snow is indicated in the light blue on this image over North Georgia. 1/2 inch or less is expected, with up to 1 inch in the mountains. The light gray shaded area is for the possibility of some snow either mixed with the rain or changing briefly to snow. Little if any accumulation is expected in this area. Other than high pressure with some cold morning temperatures on Sunday and Monday, the next chance for rain will be on Tuesday. Another storm system developing in the Central Plains will move east and approach the state with a warm and cold front combination. At this time, rainfall amounts around 1/2 inch to possibly an inch in portions of North Georgia can be expected. So in summary, a slight chance of light rain or snow late tonight over extreme North Georgia. No accumulations expected. Light rain gradually spreading over the state Friday through Saturday. Light snow will be possible over extreme North Georgia late Friday night and Saturday morning with temperatures in the lower 30s. Some accumulations possible in North Georgia, up to 1 inch in the mountains, otherwise little if any accumulation elsewhere. Rain likely next Tuesday. Rainfall amounts of 1/2 to 1 inch expected at this time. In general, minimum temperatures will be in the 30s and 40s and maximum temperatures in the 40s and 50s for the next several days. This concludes the weekly weather briefing. Have a good day.